It's some time. Hi guys! Did you check out our video on why smoking makes people look old? That was awesome, right? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between. Why smoking makes people look old?
So that we look more experienced and intelligent?
Nah. Smoking makes people look old because things like cigarettes contain nicotine. Is nicotine addictive? Yes or no? Come on guys, clock is ticking. Start typing your answers. The answer is yes. Nicotine is addictive. Nicotine is a vasoconstrictor, which means it narrows our blood vessels, restricting the blood supply. Nicotine is a natural product of which of the following? Tobacco, pollen, photosynthesis, deforestation. And your time has begun. Start guessing.
Carefully think and write your guess in the comment section.
Okay, time to find out the right answer. It's option number 1, that is, tobacco. When the blood supply is restricted, our cells don't get the required oxygen and nutrients. As a result, our skin becomes dry and discolored. Which of the following pigments gives our skin its color? Keratin, xanthophyll, melanin, all of the above. Come on guys, clock is ticking. Start typing your answers. Are you guys ready? And the answer is option number 3, that is melanin. In addition to this, the collagen and elastin fibers, which keep our skin firm and elastic, begin to break down much faster, leading to saggy and wrinkled skin. Also, when we smoke, we purse our lips and squint our eyes. Regularly repeating these actions may also cause wrinkles in our lips and around our eyes. Besides smoking, which of the following can lead to wrinkled skin? Walking at night, avoiding some, long-term exposure to UV radiation, sleepwalking. Are you ready? Your time starts now.
Hurry up! The time is almost up! Write your answer in the comment section.
Now, let us check out the right answer. It's option number 3. That is, long-term exposure to UV radiation can lead to wrinkled skin. In this way, smoking makes our skin dry, saggy, and wrinkled, thus making us look old.